How rainfall affects your hair. Do you have hair fall? Don't get drenched in rain. Rain is a beautiful creation and an important process of nature that is vital for our survival. Every human in the world which depends one thing was common is drinking water comes from rain. In olden days, we believe that the first rain are good and healing for hair and skin. In the present times pollution, lack of greenery, chemicals and vehicles, make things and facts which we believed are false. Many harmful chemicals evaporating as gases get condensed and make the first showers of rain toxic and acidic. These emissions change into sulfuric acid and nitric acid with sunlight and humidity. Hence the name acid rain. These chemicals in rainwater cause damage to the cuticle of hair, making it sticky, rough and dull. However, the damage to the hair depends on the pH of the rainwater. Normal pH of rainwater is 6. Depending on the acid content in the air, the pH can be below 4 and sometimes even up to 2. When your hair comes in contact with this acid rainwater, it tends to make your hair brittle and frizzy. How to protect hair from rainfall.
Number 1.
Unless if you get drenched in water, don't towel it or make it dry using any cosmetic. Take a deep quick shower bath with your regular shampoo and wash it out.
Number 2.
Dry your hair naturally and massage your scalp gently to increase blood circulation to your hair.
Number 3.
Do not use hairspray or gel in the monsoons as these stick to the scalp and cause dandruff.
Number 4.
Avoid excessive use of blow dryer. If hair wet at night, apply conditioner on hair and then blow dry on cold air.
Number 5.
Rainy season time for the lice to grow in the hair. In case of any itching, apply permite, mite lotion on the scalp with a cotton, leave for 2 hours and wash off. 3 to 4 weeks. This problem is more common in school-going children.
Number 6.
Be prepared yourself with an umbrella or a raincoat to get rid of rainwater.
Number 7.
When it comes to the health of your hair, a lot depends on your diet. Stop eating junk food and eat healthy fruits and vegetables in your diet.
Number 8.
It is advisable to get your hair trimmed every 5 to 6 weeks. This will remove the dead hair and help bring out a fresh layer of gorgeous hair for you. Stay connected. Subscribe our channel for more health, science and general related topics ever.